Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope each one of you is doing safe and sound. Well, I'm back. I'm back on Instagram after a very long time, after a really long duration. I had actually taken a break from social media for a while. I wanted to, just detox my life a little bit. I wanted to unwind myself and just enjoy my own company. So, which is why I thought of taking a short break, which got extended for a bit longer. And my sincere apologies to all the people who've been waiting to hear from me. I know I had promised most of you that I'll be coming online more regularly. I'll be doing more live sessions. I'll be updating with my regular videos and everything that I'm fond of and all the things that brings happiness and excitement to my life. And which is why, since I'm feeling very exhilarating since morning, I'm in a really good mood, as you can figure out from my face. I thought of doing this special video for all the people who've been actually genuinely making that effort to reaching out to me, and they have been asking me if I'm doing well. So thank you for showing that wonderful gesture and being so courteous about looking out for me and asking me and showing so much of concern if I'm doing well. I'm doing fabulous. I am fit as a fiddle. I am doing wonderful, and which is why I thought of shooting on something that is quite close to my heart. And I'm sure most of the girls and even the guys, all the men out there, I don't think this product needs a specific gender to relate to. I'm sure all of us are quite fond of using this product, and everybody has the different taste and everybody has their specific distinct choice towards it. So today I'll be talking about one of the things that I have always been fond of wearing, which is perfumes. Yes, perfume. I'm somebody who likes to wear very subtle fragrance. I don't like perfumes which are very strong because I think I'm a little allergic to strong perfumes. I tend to get headaches and then I'm not able to bear the smell. So I am somebody who's been wearing perfumes for last few years, and I also like to wear deodorants. It's not like I'm only fond of using perfumes, but once in a while I like to experiment with my taste and the kind of fragrance that suits my interest. So without any further ado, without any further delay, let's just straight see what we have to offer. I'm going to be showing some of my cult favorite perfumes. These are from different brands, and some of the brands I do not have right now because I don't have the bottles. I thought of discarding them when I ran out of the perfume, and I just don't like to keep empty bottles because I feel that's a sign of negativity when you just keep on piling up to unwanted stuff that is increasing wastage, and it's also occupying extra space in your house. I think it's best to just dispose it off, and I also find it very therapeutic to things that I don't really need, that are no longer in use. Rather than just keeping them in the house, you should just throw them away and make space for better and newer things. So that's my logic, that's my perspective. I do not know about all of you, but then once the video ends, I really want you all to share which are the perfumes that you are fond of. But right now I'm going to be showing my collection that I've been using since a while. So let's just straight get to it. The first perfume that I'm going to be showing is this. This is the Carolina Herrera, the Good Girl perfume, and just look at the gorgeous bottle. I mean, can we just spare a minute to adore this beautiful, classy bottle I'm holding? This is one of my absolute favorite perfume. I know this has been having some great and amazing reviews everywhere. All the beauty sites and all the people who've used it, everybody seems to be quite obsessed with this, and I am no different. I really love the fragrance. I love the way it lingers on me. It stays on you for like good 5-6 hours consistently, and it doesn't wear off so easily. The smell is really different. It's something very unusual, very classy. I don't think I have experienced wearing any perfume that is closer to this one. So this particular bottle has 4 variants. They have 4 different fragrances. The one that I'm holding has like a darker bottle, and let me tell you, this was a gift by one of my dear friends on my birthday, and I'm really grateful to you. I'm not going to disclose who was the person who had gifted me because obviously I would not want to do that and embarrass my friend. But then yeah, I'm really fortunate in that department. I feel that I've got some really kind and gracious friends who always know how to lift me up and how to make me happy. So thank you to my dear friend for gifting me this particular perfume. I've been eyeing on for a very long time. I've used it a few times. I bought it few months back and it's excellent. All the people who are thinking and contemplating if you should be investing in this specific perfume, do not think too much. It's totally worth every single penny that you will be investing and you will be putting into it, and you're not going to repent using this. It's one investment that is worth everything, trust me when I say that. Okay, so the next perfume that I'm going to be using, that I have been using, is by Nina Ricci. I'm just going to open the bottle and show you how classy this looks. So this is the next perfume that I have. I had bought it in the month of Feb on Valentine's Day, 14th of Feb 2019, just sometime back, and when I was traveling to Hyderabad. And every time during Valentine's Day have some really amazing and insane offers running on perfumes. You get like up to 50% discount, and this was one of the perfumes I'd actually initially tried at the airport when I was way too early to catch a flight and I didn't know how to kill time, and I just tried this and I was so happy with the fragrance, and that is when I decided to buy this. So when I got a great offer at one of the airports while traveling, I thought, okay, there can't be a better opportunity than this to buy this. And I just got my hands on this and I've worn this a few times. I really love the fragrance. It really makes you feel very fresh and very rejuvenated. It stays on for good 5-6 hours depending on the usage. Now, like I said, I am somebody who is fond of wearing perfumes, but then I don't like strong perfumes. So even when I'm using it, on me, on my clothes, I prefer not more than 2 or 3 sprays at a time. I don't like to use it aggressively. So it really depends on the person how much of a quantity you'll be liking, as per your need. But then this perfume is one of the best picks I have encountered with. The next 3 perfumes are quite affordable. They are not as pricey as these two. The Carolina Herrera was for 5,500, in the Indian market. The Nina Ricci one was actually for 5,500 or 6,000 if I'm not wrong. But then fortunately I got 50% off on it, so I just paid 3,000 when I had to buy it, which is the reason I ended up buying it. The remaining 3 perfumes I'll be showing in today's video are these. So this is the one that I have from Zara. And this is in the fragrance rose. From the same range I have used the Lily one also, which is yet another outstanding perfume that I have used, and the fragrance is amazing. It's very fresh. It feels just feels very nice when you wear it, and it stays for like good 3 to 4 hours. And Zara perfumes are quite cost friendly. They're very affordable. They're not expensive compared to the lot of other high-end brands that we are exposed to. So this is one of the picks that I have from Zara, and I have the smaller bottle right now. They have a bigger bottle also, but then I just thought of buying this because this is very travel friendly. I can just I can accommodate in my bag somewhere, and it doesn't occupy a lot of space when I'm carrying this. So I really like it when I'm traveling. The other 2 perfumes that I have in today's video are again from Zara, which I've been using for a very long time. When I especially go out, when I just want to dress up casually and I don't want to over deck up and I don't want to wear something that is too high end. So one is the Black Amber and the other one is Red Vanilla. These are 2 perfumes from the same range but in different fragrance, which I bought together from Zara. And trust me, right now I'm wearing Black Amber. For this video I thought of wearing some perfume to charge me up, and I'm feeling amazing. And like I said, I feel it's a wonderful positive day, and that is the reason I'm making this video. So I hope my video brings some smile and happiness to each one of you. And having said that, on that note, it's time for me to sign off and say bye. But I promise that I'll be coming back very soon with yet another fun video. And my next video I'm planning to do on accessories, stuff that I've been owning over the years. So I am still figuring out how to shoot on that, because trust me, I have a lot of accessories which I often don't get a chance to wear, but then I'm somebody who's fond of collecting it. So keep watching the space, and I look forward to see you all very soon. Till then, take care. Don't forget to smile and stay safe. Take care, guys. Bye.